I welcome everyone. Thank you so much for helping us. You will find all forms of help in the description of this video. Dear viewer, we kindly ask you to give this video a royal like. Your like is very necessary for the development of the System.GURU.Markets. Now we will compare the main indicators of the corporation American Airlines, ticker AAL. This review was created based on current data as of July 20, 2024. By classification Guru.Markets company American Airlines Group Inc. belongs to the subcategory Air Transportation. 21 organizations participate in the analysis. This is quite representative. We start with summary data about the corporation. A little further we will consider each indicator in more detail. If you want, you can put it on stop. You can look at all the indicators of the organization under study more carefully. You can view the database with the ticker structure using the link in the pinned comment. Thank you for your repost and various other help, we really need it. Well, friends, let's begin. Market capitalization of the corporation American Airlines Group Inc. valued at $6.94 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $114 billion. American Airlines accounts for a share of 6.072%. It is one of the medium-sized companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $57 billion. American Airlines Group Inc. accounts for 0% share. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we will see the following. Occupied share American Airlines Group Inc. in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 6.072%. The book value is 0%, which is 100% less than the share of market capitalization. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Overall company assessment American Airlines Group Inc. will be demonstrated at the very end of the review. Please watch the logic of the analysis to the end. The analyzed company has no debt obligations. Result on the level of the company's financial obligations, very good, 2 points. The ratio of the company's market value to its profit is 17.7. The average in the subcategory is 12.8. This is 28% higher than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $500 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are tentatively expected to be $885 million. 77% more than currently. Assessment of expected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The balance of company value to revenue is 0.1. The average in the subcategory is 0.4, which is 75% lower than in the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $53,170 million. Projected revenue for the coming 12 months is expected to be $94,130 million. This is 77% more than now. Assessment of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 0.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.4%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 2.5%. Marginality assessment in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 23.976%, which is 295% more than the market capitalization share. And this reflects the imbalance in the company's market value. American Airlines, probably towards underestimation. The amount of market capital for each employee of the company is $53,000. And for the subcategory it's $207,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 74.4%. Estimation of the amount of market capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $3,800. The average in the subcategory is $16,200. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 77%. Estimation of profit for each company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The share of sales for each company employee is $402,000. In the subcategory there are $476,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 18%. Estimation of revenue per company employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, 0 points. Shares short corresponded to 13.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.1%. This is the valuation of a short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 36% for the company American Airlines Group Inc. Whereas for the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 45%. Potentially, securities of the subcategory are quoted higher than those of American Airlines. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price American Airlines and subcategory companies. We see that over the last 12 months stocks American Airlines Group Inc. showed a change of -43.1%. Against price changes in the subcategory -29.3%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but we must keep this fact in mind. Total result, 0 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, -0.3 points. If you look broadly, within the entire market in total, you can see that the average score for the market in the aggregate is 0.3 points. Against a score of 0 points American Airlines Group Inc. Let's go to the table of orders, which is available. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all previously made decisions by the information and reference system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open, link in pinned comment. Based on the assessment of the company's securities American Airlines Group Inc. Information and reference system for stock valuation Guru.Markets. A decision is made. Do not open a deal due to the fact that American Airlines overvalued subcategory company. Thank you for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system Guru.Markets. You truly are the coolest audience on the entire planet.